we got the long one of me babbling. That's more so like me practicing because, you know, long form is new to me. But quick rundown because I'm going to post this one independently. Making potato salad, Mediterranean vibes. So I got red potatoes in here. I got scallion, red onion, celery, jalapeno, fresh parsley, fresh dill, Kalamata olives, cucumber, roasted red pepper, feta cheese. And we went in here with fresh lemon, good quality olive oil, one large ass garlic, which I had in the other video saying before someone says garlic in potato salad. Garlic is a great antimicrobial, antifungal. It kills parasites. Like, you don't need to be doing those parasite cleanses if you eat fresh garlic. Pretty much, I put fresh garlic in everything. So that's why I rarely get sick. My immune system, 111, when I looked up, my immune system is top tier. So when I get sick, that's when I know I got hit with something or it's ascension symptoms, which I don't get them a lot either now, being I've worked on my internal so much where solid as a rock. That just started playing in my head, so that might be a sign or something for somebody out there, because nothing, you know, I say nothing is random. There's a lot of kids in this pool, but being I did use a big chunk of feta, I'm still salting because salt is flavor, salt is hydration, our body needs the minerals. Kosher salt, or the best is use sea salt, please. I was kosher and I've gone to sea salt now. Don't use iodized salt. I have iodized salt here. I use it to clean my freaking bongs, okay? I don't put it in my body. So that should tell you something. But look at this, it's not fully mixed yet and it's gorgeous. I always say, food is medicine, food is frequency. I'm going to keep repeating it so it plays in your head. Get in that kitchen, start cooking for yourself. Start making high vibrational meals for yourself. Remember, we have chakra points in our hands. So when you go or you've heard the saying, you taste the love, yeah, because it comes out of the hands. Comes out of the hands. And plus, being I'm Reiki, I have 3 energy attunements running through me, so I'm always blessing the kitchen before I start cooking, do a little Reiki in it. So all that comes out of my hands and it goes into my food. You taste that high vibrate, like you taste the high vibes. So why wouldn't you want to do it for yourself too? You don't need to be Reiki certified. You have them in your hands. Do this tap, like get them activated. Get your hands all ready to start making food. 313, what's up, Dad? Get in that kitchen, start cooking, experiment. Like recipes, you don't have to follow them. Recipes are a guide. Like, you don't like an ingredient, omit it. You want to try something else, add it. Like, you can run down this ingredient list and be like, I don't like this, I don't like that, and take it out. 333 on that timer, no problem. But what I'm going to add into this one is for the ones that say, oh, I don't like it. And if I ask you, did you ever eat it? And you say no, so then how the hell do you know whether you like it or not? Somebody told you it was disgusting, or you have some pre-programmed notion in your head that is just bad, or it was prepared bad. Who knows? Try it, because our taste buds and everything changes every 7 years too. So that's why some people may have hated something at one point in time and now they love it, because internally you grew, you healed, you evolved, and your vessel wants new things, different things. So to the ones that say you can't change, that's a lie. 420 on that timer, coming with the Lilith energy. That's a lie. People can change, you can change. It's called evolution. But I can't wait to try this because it looks and smells amazing. But I like letting everything sit for a good, like maybe 20, 30 minutes in the fridge minimum, so all the flavors get to marry, mix, and it just becomes that much better. 444 on that timer, divinely guided, divinely protected. I'm ending it here. I hope you try this. I hope I'm inspiring somebody out there to get in the kitchen and cook for themselves.